Proxima Centauri is a name that has always captured the imagination, evoking visions of distant and mysterious worlds. This small star is famous for being the closest star to our solar system, a proximity that has led both scientists and science fiction authors to speculate about alien planets and the technologies that might one day allow us to reach them. For several years, we have known for certain that at least one planet called Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, but the discovery has raised more questions than answers. Is it the only planet in the system? And most importantly, could it harbor life? On this journey, we will explore what we know and what remains to be discovered. Proxima Centauri is about 4.25 light-years away from us, a relatively short astronomical distance in cosmic terms, but still unreachable with current technologies. It is a red dwarf, a small star with a mass and radius about 10 times smaller than our Sun. Due to its characteristics, Proxima Centauri is a cool, dim star, invisible to the naked eye, and was ignored by astronomers for a long time until its discovery in 1915. Over time, scientists have learned that Proxima Centauri is not a solitary star, but part of a more complex star system, the Alpha Centauri system. This system consists of 3 stars, Proxima Centauri and its 2 larger companions, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B. These 2 stars are much more similar to our Sun in size and brightness and form a binary system. To the naked eye, Alpha Centauri A and B appear as a single star in the sky, but they actually orbit around a common center of gravity, with a distance varying from that between Saturn and the Sun to distances comparable to that between the Sun and Pluto. Proxima Centauri, however, is much farther from its companions, located thousands of times farther apart than the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Despite this distance, the gravitational interaction between Proxima and the other stars in the system suggests they are bound together in a fragile cosmic balance. The discovery that revolutionized our knowledge of the Proxima Centauri system was that of Proxima b, the planet orbiting the star. Discovered in 2016 by astronomers from the Pale Red Dot Project, Proxima b sparked enormous interest because it is located in the so-called habitable zone of its star. This is a region in space where the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold, allowing for the potential existence of liquid water on the planet's surface, one of the fundamental elements for life as we know it. Proxima b is a rocky planet, with a mass slightly greater than that of Earth, making it a super-Earth, and it orbits at an extremely close distance to its star. In fact, Proxima b is about 20 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun, completing an entire orbit in just 11 Earth days. However, despite this proximity, the planet could be in habitable conditions because Proxima Centauri is a much cooler and dimmer star than the Sun. This delicate balance makes Proxima b one of the most intriguing candidates in the search for habitable worlds outside our solar system. Proxima b may not be alone. In 2020, astronomers announced the discovery of a possible second planet, called Proxima c. This planet would be much farther from the star than Proxima b, with an orbit lasting about 5 Earth years. Proxima c could be a super-Earth, or a mini-Neptune, with an estimated mass about 7 times that of Earth. However, being so far from its star, Proxima c would be well outside the habitable zone, likely in a state of permanent freezing, with extremely low temperatures. But the surprises don't end there. In 2022, a possible third planet called Proxima d was also announced. This planet, still unconfirmed, could have a mass smaller than Earth's and a close distance to the star, completing an orbit in just 5 days. If confirmed, Proxima d would be one of the smallest planets ever discovered around a star outside our solar system. The discovery of Proxima b has raised the hopes of many astronomers and astrobiologists about the possibility that the planet could host life. However, being in the habitable zone does not necessarily mean a planet is habitable. One of the crucial factors for determining habitability is the presence of an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, a planet can be subject to extreme temperatures, and liquid water could not exist on its surface. At the moment, we do not yet have enough data to know for certain if Proxima b has an atmosphere and, if so, what its composition is. The planet's rotation is another key factor to consider. It is hypothesized that Proxima b may be tidally locked to its star, meaning that one side of the planet is permanently facing the star, while the other side remains in constant darkness. This could create extreme climate conditions, with one side too hot and the other too cold, making it difficult for life to exist. However, a temperate zone might exist between the lit and dark sides, a transition band where conditions could be milder. Moreover, there is another major obstacle to Proxima B's habitability: its star. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are known to be very active, often subject to powerful stellar flares that emit intense radiation. These events could strip away the atmosphere of a nearby planet like Proxima b, exposing it to dangerous radiation and making it very difficult for life to develop as we know it. Despite the challenges, Proxima b represents an important step forward in our search for habitable worlds outside the solar system. Its relative proximity to Earth makes it a prime target for future astronomical observations. Currently, the lack of direct observations of the planet transiting in front of its star limits our ability to study its atmosphere and search for signs of biological activity. However, with next-generation space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and others in development, we may be able to observe the planet in greater detail and even capture direct images. In the more distant future, the idea of interstellar space missions might no longer be science fiction. At speeds comparable to those of current probes, it would take over 70,000 years to reach Proxima b. But technological advancements, such as laser-propelled solar sails or fusion-powered rockets, could reduce this time to a century or less. While these ideas remain speculative for now, interstellar exploration could one day become a reality. Meanwhile, scientists are also searching for radio signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent civilizations. In 2020, a signal called BLC-1 from the direction of Proxima Centauri raised hopes, but subsequent analysis revealed it was an interference of terrestrial origin. At present, there is no evidence that Proxima b hosts intelligent life, but the search continues. Proxima b is a milestone in our exploration of the cosmos. While many questions remain unanswered, its discovery has opened a new frontier in the search for habitable planets. As our tools and understanding of the universe continue to improve, Proxima b remains a central target for astronomers worldwide. We do not yet know if life exists there or if we will one day be able to explore it directly, but Proxima b embodies the promise of unknown worlds waiting to be discovered.